Hi guys and girls, welcome back to Every Day with me, Nick. This is the job site today. We've got some lovely British weather going on. I don't know if this guy's going to get this swing in, but we'll give it he's going to give it a good go. We've got a skip coming in here, and yeah, it's going to be tight. It's going to be real tight. Anyway, what we've got going on here at the moment, anyway, we're going on some footings, some trench work for some footings. That's going to come in for a garage that's going to come, well, all along here really. 5 meters out, 6 meters long, and return again. Yeah, it's been raining all day. Like, what we're on now, we must be about 11 o'clock, I think. Whoa! 11:15. So we've been on it like 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and it's just done out but rain. But we've got our rain gear on, and we're dodging it in and out all the time. So this guy's a decent driver. Decent driver indeed. So yeah, we've got the I need to take that off. Bloody hell. Hold on. Right, that's better. See if you can make it out. No longer endorse their product. Yeah, if you've been following along, you kind of understand that. Right, yes, we're digging today. We're digging with the digger, with the Chinese Mini, purchased from Alibaba. That's it. We've got yeah, there's a garage going up here, so we've got one leg coming in down here, and we're just on with the second leg, and then we've got another leg of the foundation dig to go up there. So yeah, it's a bit miserable, but we're getting there. We're doing all right. So what I might do is, I've got this little handy dandy clamp on here. I might gonna try and get you connected up here and see what you can get. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this for. Watch me dig. It's very hard clay we're in today. It's probably one of the hardest digs I've ever done. I've done a couple of hard digs, but this is number one by far. So let's have it, guys. Let's have it. Let's get digging. I forgot to. Right, let's go. I can't believe how hard this stuff is, Nick. Whew, you what? Unreal, isn't it? Your head on that. I've caught it a few times.
brick where you don't want a brick.
I can't see myself in here. It's raining, guys, and we're done. And it's, you know, hopefully when we come to, I've actually been asked by the fella to, by the customer to help him concrete it as well, so I'll put the footings in. So we're ready now. So 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg. Yeah, I'm not going to go right round there. It's up to the balls, mud, clay. It's just miserable. It's been alright though. It's been a decent dig. It's been undoubtedly the hardest ground that I've ever dug in. But yeah, it's fine. The little Mini did fine, as always. You know, it's just that engine. It's just awful. It's just bad on the ears. So I put my earbuds in most times and just get away from that noise. But it does the job. It does the job. I took the teeth off the digging bucket. I'll have to go get them out actually. Took the teeth off, look, straight onto, and I ground the blade up, ground a bevel onto that blade. Hold on. I know my hood's not waterproof, but at least it keeps the rain off my head. So yeah, just ground a bit of an edge on that to cut the clay. The clay is that hard, so you know it was coming out it's white in places, but it was really difficult, you know, digging. So, but now we're done now. So we're I'm going to put the digger away, put the excavator back on the trailer, and get home, get washed, get dried. Because I'm night shift again. It's every time you guys are on here. Every time I do a video for you guys, I'm always night shift, aren't I? So, first one tonight. Progress, I'll give you a bit of update on what's happening with the shed, with the sawmill shed. Just panniers round here, look. So there she is, sitting in a bit of a rainy, dismal state, but what do we call it? I've got the tin. I've actually got the tin now, so I've got to mill a couple of roofing lats up and fix some last remaining rafters in place, and then we'll be happy days to get that done. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that, guys. Get a roof on it, and yeah, good. We'll be solid. We'll be all right. So anyway, I'm gonna hurry up and get everything packed away and get in the dry, because yeah, it's miserable now. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I haven't had like a grand amount of footage on that there, but I actually just, because it was raining so much this morning, we just wanted to get on with it. So yeah, right guys, take it easy. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Morning guys, just want to welcome you back to part 2 of the part 1 of this footings that we were doing the other day. It's since heavily rained. We've got a bit of water in, but we'll be all right. We'll bowl that out. We've already been going on with it. We are, oh, I'd say 3/4 nearly all the way to the end of this leg here. Front this leg, we'll start on this one next, and then yeah, get up here done. So yeah, concrete footings, mixing by hand, 5 to 1 mix. So we're doing 10 shovels of ballast, which is sharp sand and gravel, to half a bag of cement. Now we're using 25 kilo bags over here in the UK. So what's that? 12 and a half kilos to 10 shovels. So yeah, down and around the mixer. Giving it quite a bit of a dry mix because it's tamping up top, so I'll just get you set up on the post over here, on the fence post, and just let you see what we're doing. Hopefully it'll catch us. Right, ciao for now.
Spread that out a bit, I like to have the own drink for that.
Oh, you want more in there?
Just a bit more, just another shovel. That's this. It's strong enough, yeah.
You want, sorry?
That's
Should have got that there as well. Did it in the right weather? Should have kept it on point all the way around. There you go, if you want to build it out, I think it'll be alright. Still fucking wet, isn't it? Put it in that bit of there, yeah? Oh, you've got some bricks. Yeah.
It's tempted to there.
Yeah. Oh, really know though. It's not where it needs you. But they won't get it dropped off today.
No, that's why I am on the video. Yeah, we'll crack on, we'll see how we go. It's nice to get it done, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good seeing you. First I thought, well, back to the and I'm looking at it.
Well, actually, when I did the math, to take bags,
Yeah.
I sat down last night.
But 7 bags now because we filled it in.
Well, that's it, yeah, yeah. What happened there? How did concrete get all the way to you guys? Well, at least it's not raining, that's the main thing.
Oh, two traps to be on camera. I just tried to grab on it. As I went down to grab on it whistled by my hand. Forward a bit and I'll get that mustard. Right, I'll put this in here. What about that? Yeah, I think so.
Right guys, we're all done. We had to go do a run to Builders Merchants, get another bag because you know, they don't fill them up to a ton, which is shady. But yeah, we're all one leg, two legs, three legs all done. That is covered these over because it was raining. Yeah, but that's all in. It's a fair depth and all, between what?
It's a big depth.
450, 550, maybe more in places. So we've been doing a little bit of
in places here it's 7.
or 7. We've been doing a bit of hardcore fill as well. So yeah, and it works fine. That's going off already, that.
I know, so is that over there?
Is it? Yeah.
It's going off like that.
Yeah. Must be a thingy mixer. But yeah, it's all done.
Tea time, officially gone off.
Oh yeah, it'll be right, yeah. So how many bags have we gone through there? 7, haven't we?
7 bags and what? 2, 4,
7 bags of dumpy, so that's
what did we get? 40
bags.
bags of cement.
31 bags of cement to 7 bags of 7 dumpy bags. So yeah, there's been a few in there, but bearing in mind these bags are only 800 kilos as well, so we're not getting, they're not actual like 7-ton bags. yeah, it's just a bit shady. But anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you liked, and we'll see you back on another job, I'm sure. Hopefully it'll be on the
On this again.
well, maybe he's on this again, yeah. We're at sawmill shed trying to get the what do you call it, get the tin put up, and we'll see you, yeah, we'll see you then. Thanks guys, bye for now.